Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially for you. So let's start. A warm welcome to all my lovely viewers. I'm glad you're all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. Get comfy because this video is about to begin. A big hello to my amazing audience. Today we are talking about wooden plant stand for home. So guys, if you are new to here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your love on my last video. Today's video is going to be super exciting, so stay tuned till then. Let's jump straight into today's topic. Before we begin, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys have been asking for this one and it's finally here. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upload. Alright, without wasting any more time, so let's start. Today I'm going to talk about plant designs. Wooden plant stand for home decor and how it plays and a key role in a creativity of beautiful and comfortable living space. Wood art is from natural wood. It brings beauty at any space. Wood have a warm and earthy feel. Artists shape wood into amazing designs. Wooden art can be small or big, same pieces and unique. Now to wood cranes are the same that makes every art piece special. Woodwork need patience and curve. Artist spends hours in one space. They smooth the wood with shaper, then they cut the shape with designs or curve with love. Some art has deep meaning, others are just for decoration. Wooden forms look elegant, wall hanging made for wood are popular. Wooden lamps create a cozy lights. Table and cleans chairs can be artwork too. Many people love wood sculpture. This video is about to a plant stand for home interior designs in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you will get amazing home decoration ideas from this video. Thank you so much for your love and your support, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So guys, if you are new to here, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing videos like this one. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful. Please watch this video till the end. Till then, please take care of yourself and the people around you.